Uber to the club, not driving tonight. Yeah, back seat so I can do what I like.
What you talking about, Tom?
Well, I could explain, but wouldn't you prefer to hear it from Shania Twain?
Can't do that if you're driving. Doing the world on your phone.
Play a little trombone. Let's go, friends.
Why would you say it that way?
Let's go, girls!
Can't do that if you're driving.
Lernen sprechen Sie
That
Dutch?
don't impress me.
At all.
Rare seat photo shoot. Making sure my makeup looking real cute.
Make a beat, find a place to eat.
How about a little beauty sleep?
This feels right.
Why is your mustache so itchy?
That's your moustache now. Fix your hairdo, learn kung fu, show a hyper-realistic tattoo, make out with a friend, trombone again.
So exciting.
Can't do that if you
Can't do that if you're driving.